Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for coming back and tuning in. Today's video, guys, is going to be over this head of hair right here. But before I get into that, my name is Rachel Angelica, and thank you all so much for coming and tuning into this video. I am your hair best friend, and so if you haven't subscribed yet, go on ahead and click that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go on ahead and press that bell so that you don't miss nothing from your girl, okay? So, y'all see the hair. Let me do a 360, guys. Yes. You guys see the hair, you see the color, and this wig is super special because this is a wig that I constructed myself from start to finish. And yes, fro friends, of course, I'm going to teach you guys how to do that step by step. So if you all would like to learn how to make a wig just like this one of your own, stay tuned. As you all will see in the Vlogmas package, you know, this is a video. I constructed her from scratch. This is my first ever wig that I made, and I think I did a pretty good job. My construction is pretty solid, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but I toot too, bitch. I toot too. So I'm pretty satisfied with it. I cut and styled her. And now I'm just, you know, diffusing so that she has a little bit of volume and everything, so that when I put her on, she's giving the look that I want, you know? She's giving that. She's giving that KeKe Palmer-esque hairstyle. Her hair's a little darker, and also the curls are a little looser on her unit. But you know, whatevs, you know, it's inspired, right? It's not like an exact replica. So I think we did a good job, guys. I mean, these curls are popping pretty much. I do like it, and I am pretty satisfied. Like, look at this texture of this wig. And I think I cut it pretty well too, because there was a lot of hair, guys. There was a lot of hair that I had to whack off of this thing. We did this as a throw and go, and so all I have to do is just plop her on and plop her off. She is a banged unit, so she has the bangs in the front, and she, you know, she's pretty cute. She's pretty cute. Now I just have to see how she looks on, because, you know, she looks cute from the mannequin, but we want her to be wearable too. Unfortunately, the beauty supply store that I have went to, my old faithful that I go to normally, they didn't have the correct sizes in the hair that I wanted. However, with the hair that I bought, any length of the hair is $14.99, so your girl didn't care. But it was just a lot of hair to kind of chop off in the end, because I didn't want it to be like super duper long. This hair grows as it gets frizzier. Obviously, it's curly hair, so I didn't want to be out here with a whole like red afro going on. So your girl got this hair. It is the Shake and Go Organique in the water curl. I ended up getting 2 packs of the 30, and then I got the rest was 24 inches. I ended up getting 5 packs of the hair, and I used 4 packs of the hair, and this is my last one that I have left. From that, I tried to use all of the 24s and only use the 30 if need be, because, you know, this is pretty long hair, and as you guys can see, if I start at the bottom with this hair is long. So your girl didn't need all that. Your girl didn't need all that. So I tried to use as much as the 24s as possible. I ended up using all of them, and then I only had to use one pack of the 30, so I was pretty happy with that. I had to chop so much of this hair off in order to get my shape and everything. I did the infamous TikTok wolf cut in order to remove some bulk from the hair, and then I ended up placing the wig on my head in order to finish the cut off, because I personally like to, especially if I'm wearing the wig, I personally like to cut the hair on my head besides the back of the head. Obviously I can't see back there, so that's when we use Thelma over here. I ended up cutting the shape in the front and then layering the back on the wig head. So it was super easy. Honestly, guys, I am a licensed cosmetologist, but when cutting curly hair, I like to think of it more as a bush. And not because of the shape of it or anything. It's just because I literally go like curl by curl, and I'll just shape the hair as much as possible. And it's just kind of like, you know, like trimming a bush. Like, it's just like you cut here, you cut there, you cut here. Of course, there's a little bit of rhyme and reason to it, but I just feel like it's not as detailed as a straight cut would be, honestly. So I think that the cut turned out pretty well. As you all can see, I have a lot of volume with it. I am able to, you know, have some length with it as well. And I feel like all the layers fall the way that I want it to. So this hair is super easy to manage. Of course, it is curly hair, so I am expecting a little bit of tangling and all of that other jazz. But what I did notice was it is really, really easy to manage, especially if you have a really good styling foam. So I use the Argon oil from Creme of Nature. I thought that this did really, really well at being able to rake through the hair and redefine the curls. So I would definitely recommend using this if you do want to get this hair. This hair is able to, it is a synthetic blend, so that it kind of appears like natural hair. So you are able to go on ahead and flat iron this hair and curl it up to 400 degrees. So I might go through later on with this hair and try to do like some bigger wand curls on it. I feel like that would be super duper cute. So we might come back and do another video of styling this wig and doing some wand curls and see how that turns out, to see, really test this theory if this hair is really what it says it is and we are able to go on ahead and curl it. I have used this hair in the past and it has worked pretty well for me. If you would like to see that video, go on ahead and click above. It was a darker hair, so I'm excited to see how this one is going to last. The other one, of course, it is a synthetic hair blend, and so it isn't like your traditional bundled hair where it's going to last as long. I'm excited to see how I can upkeep this hair. It's the color of the season, guys. It is amazing for this cooler weather that we have right now in LA, with the winter being here and everything. I'm definitely looking forward to wearing this in the holiday season. That is pretty much all that I have for you guys about this wig and about the install and everything. If you all have any additional questions that I did not answer in this video, please, please, please let me know in the comments section below. And Guys, let me know in the comment section below if I ended up nailing my look that I wanted to go with, or did I end up failing it? Just let me know in the comment section below. And go on ahead while you're down there. Shoot your girl a like, because, you know, the support means everything to me, guys. I really appreciate you guys coming back and rocking with me today in this video. And if you already know what I'm gonna say, honey, but if you haven't subscribed yet, why haven't you? Go on ahead, click on my face, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, babe.